In question number 2, A set is given to you. A in this elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Insert the appropriate symbol, means belongs to or does not belongs to, we should insert in the blank spaces given in the question. Now we should check. See, 5, first question is 5. So 5 is the member of the set A. That means 5 belongs to A. So we can write belongs to A. Now 8 is not in A, isn't it? Is not in set A. That means 8 does not belong to A. Similarly 0 also you can observe it is not in set A. So 0 does not belong to A. Then 4 is there in set A. So 4 belongs to set A. 2 is also there. 2 is also a member of set A. So 2 belongs to. 10 is not there in A. So 10 does not belong to A, we can write here. In question 3, question is write the following sets in roster form. Now we know roster form is writing a set in listed form, isn't it? And in that format or in that form, elements will be separated by commas. Now here this set is given in set builder form because property is given that all the elements which belongs to set A are integers and they lie between -3 and 7. Okay, they are greater than -3 and less than 7. So we know what all numbers will come here. Greater than -3 means -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these numbers will be there. They are separated by commas. So we should put bracket and this will be A set. So both are the same set but representation is different. One is roster method, one is set builder method. Now second one is given as B, where X is natural number less than 6. So what we can write? Natural number. Natural number means it starts from 1, isn't it? So first element will be definitely 1 and 2, 3. What is next condition? Less than 6 means 4 and 5 only will come. 6 won't come. Less than 6. It is not written less than or equal to 6. Okay, so 6 won't come. We should stop here only. 5. Then put the bracket to end the set. So this is B set, both in roster form and set builder form. See, in this question C, X is defined as X. X is a 2-digit number such that sum of digit is 8. Okay, 2-digit number. Suppose if we start with 0, so 0 plus 8 will be, summation will be 8. Okay, then interchange the numbers, we will get 80. Okay, then put 1 here. 1 plus 7 gives 8, so 71. Then 2, 6, so 62 will come. Then 3 plus 5 gives 8, so as 5 and 3, isn't it? And then 4, and if you interchange then also you will get 4 and 4. Now these numbers will repeat. So what we can write here? C is the set in which all elements will be 2-digit number and sum of digit is 8. So here we got the list of the numbers which have sum of digit as 8. Now we have to search for 2-digit number. So all the numbers are 2-digit number except this one, isn't it? Because this is single digit 8. So how will we write this set? C, all the elements separated by the commas. Now here order is not important. In any order you can write, no problem. But the thing is all elements should come. So this is your set C in roster form. Now question 3D part, where D set is defined as, fourth question, D set is defined as X. X is a prime number, divisor of 60. So X is prime number as well as divisor of 60 also. So first we'll find what are the divisors of 60? So suppose 1 into 60 is 60, isn't it? 2 into 30 gives 60. 3 into 20 gives 60. Then 4 into 15. Then 5 into 12. Then 6 into 10. Then 7, with 7 it won't give. Then 8, 9. Again 10 will come, 60. So all the numbers are going to repeat. Okay. That means list of divisor if we make. So we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. Okay, so these are the numbers which are divisor of 60. Now divisor x is a prime number and divisor of 60. Now from these divisor we should select prime numbers, isn't it? So prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5 only. So what all elements will come in D set? 2, 3 and 5. So this is D set in roster form. Now question number 3, fifth sub question is E is the set. It is defined as set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So what we will do, we'll start writing in roster form, that is we'll make list of the alphabets or letters. T we will write here, then R, then I, G will come, O will come, N. Now again O, but we wrote already O. So in roster form elements should not be repeated. So we will avoid writing this O. Then M, E, T. T already we wrote, so no need to write again, isn't it? Then R also is there. R is there in our set E, no need to write again. Then Y will come. So end of the set. So this is E set in roster form. Now sixth part is set of all letters in word better. Okay. In this also we should remember the thing that elements should not be repeated. So we'll start with B. Yes, E. T is coming 2 times but we'll write once. E already we wrote. So R. So this is the roster form for the sixth part.